Mayday, we are losing altitude. Engines are at 100%, but we are not moving. Relax. It's a metaphor. In the last video, we scrubbed the parasites off your hull. You canceled Netflix. You stopped buying lattes, but your bank account is still empty. Why? Because you are caught in the gravity trap. You think it's just a credit card balance, but the math says it is a black hole. You are orbiting a singularity called 25% APR, and right now, it is pulling you apart. Banks are brilliant engineers. They gave you an emergency eject button. It's green. It's comforting, and it says, minimum payment. You press it, the sirens stop, and you think, phew, I survived this month. But that is a lie. Making the minimum payment is like trying to put out a forest fire with a water pistol. You're only spraying the interest, while the fire keeps burning the trees. Here's the brutal math. If you owe $5,000 at 20% interest, and you only pay the minimum, you will be paying off that debt for 27 years. You will be paying back $12,000. You are not their client. You are their battery. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. He said, "He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it." Right now, you are paying for the fuel for your bank CEO's yacht. The saddest part? You're likely still paying for that vacation to Thailand from 3 years ago. The tan is gone, the memories are faded, but the debt is still fresh. You stole money from your future self to entertain your past self. Enough drifting. To escape the event horizon, we need escape velocity. There are 2 ways to fire the engines. Strategy 1, the Avalanche. You attack the debt with the highest interest rate first. Mathematically, this is the smartest path. It saves you the most money. Strategy 2, the Snowball, my personal favorite. You ignore the interest rates. You find your smallest debt, maybe that $50 store card, and you destroy it. Bam, it's gone. You feel a win. That dopamine is the fuel you need to attack the next one. I don't care which method you pick. Just stop digging. Cut the cards. Use a debit card. Switch every spare dollar to the engines. It will be painful. It will take time. But the moment gravity lets go, when you float into debt-free space, that is the best feeling in the world. That is freedom. If you have credit card debt, your house is on fire. Do not sit. Act. Subscribe to the channel. Next mission, building a shield.